Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. It's your girl Raylene, and I will be showing y'all how to do the slick back bun on your hair, your beautiful hair. So let's just go ahead and get into this video. Hey y'all, I just want y'all to know that these are not oil stains or sweat stains, or it's not water either. This is just the pattern of my shirt, so I don't want y'all thinking that I'm sweating or something like crazy or I'll spill oil on my shirt. So yeah, I just took down my hair, so what I like to have is a spray bottle, because your hair will do much better if your hair is more damp than dry, because it's going to be easier to slick back your hair and everything like that. Also, I use Eco Styling gel or any type of gel that I have in my house, but any gel works as long as it's good for you. And yeah. And I also like to use my edge comb brush. This is helpful, but I also have a hard bristle and a soft bristle brush, but you're going to be using the hard bristle brush side, because a soft bristle brush is not going to do you any justice when you're trying to do this hairstyle, okay? Because you want to slick your hair down, and if you're using the soft side, it's not going to slick your hair down, okay? So if you don't have this edge comb brush, you don't have to have an edge comb brush. You can use a toothbrush that you don't use, okay? Because if you do your edges and you brush your teeth with the same brush, that's nasty, okay? And also, you can also just use a hard bristle brush, okay? Either way, you can just do your edges. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this video. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and spray my hair. And now what you want to do is pick what side you want to do for your back bun. I want to choose this side, so I'm gonna go ahead and just like that. Okay. I'm gonna take my gel. Okay, take the gel, put it in my hair. Make sure your hair is damp, because it's not going to act right if it's not damp. Okay, I'm just telling you that now so you won't be surprised. Okay, also I want y'all to know that everybody's hair type is different. So you might need more gel than me, you might need less gel than me, you might need the same. It just depends on your hair type and your hair. And you know what, it's not a bad thing if your hair needs more gel, and it's not a bad thing if your hair doesn't need more gel. You know, all hair types are beautiful. God made you beautiful, and yeah, and your hair beautiful. And if you don't have hair and you're watching this video, you're beautiful anyway. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to encourage y'all on that. Okay, so if you want it to the front, you want to slick it to the front. So I like mine's to be kind of like in the front, but also not, you know what I'm saying? So I just like slick it back. It's kind of confusing, but I'm gonna show y'all. I just slick it back how you want it. Like this is how I like mine, but I like to slick it more. Just keep slicking it. All right. Okay. Oh, and if you have these little bumps come up, just slick it back, y'all. Just slick it back. It's all about slicking your hair back. All right, now take your hair tie. You most definitely need a hair tie. I hope y'all grab the hair tie, okay? So you're gonna need your hair tie right there. Let me go ahead and keep slicking it right. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair tie and just put it like that. And there you have it. If you want to leave some parts of your hair out like that, like I did, you can. If you don't, you don't. So I'm not done yet, okay? I still gotta slick my hair down some more. Okay. If you do not want to do your edges, you don't have to do your edges, but I prefer to do my edges, so I take my gel, okay? And you can either use your brush or you can use your toothbrush. So I like to use a mix, or I just sometimes like using the hard bristle brush itself. I just don't want y'all to feel like, oh, I have to have the edge comb brush, because you really don't. I know everybody don't got one now, so you just kind of have to slick it like that. And if y'all want me to do an edges tutorial, just let me know in the comments, and I'll do one for y'all. Okay. I don't want to do too much to this side because it's supposed to be sleek down anyway, and I kind of like it just slick. Just wanted to find that slickiness some more. Hey, we done. Okay, I hope y'all like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me what other hairstyles y'all want me to do for y'all, okay? Because I really like filming this video. And I hope y'all learned something from it. And if you didn't learn something from it, then send it to a friend. But I just want to let y'all know you're beautiful. And God loves you. I love you. You got a purpose here. And you deserve to be loved, okay? You are worthy of love, okay? So don't forget about that. And yeah, make sure y'all stay safe. Keep your masks on, okay? Because y'all need to stay healthy out there. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on my socials, okay? And I hope you have a blessed day, all right? Stay blessed and clean, and keep smiling and profiling, baby. Peace out. Ow!